Tony's master plan this year? Get a second dredge running alongside this one at Eureka Creek. Already months behind schedule and having invested close to $2 million, he's come to check on his moneymaker.
All right.
Okay, see you in a bit.
How's it going, Kevin?
Pretty good.
How about shut this thing down for a minute and I want to look at that scale?
Jason, shut it down.
I should spend more time on the dredge to make sure it is more efficient, because this is where I make my money and this is where I lose some money. So it might wouldn't hurt the pocketbook to check where the gold is going in these sluice boxes.
Tony's costs are spiraling out of control. He needs to recover every grain of gold he can from Kevin's operation.
Roll it up, next one.
Gold should settle in the first few feet of the sluices. If Tony finds gold at the bottom of the riffles, it means the dredge is blowing thousands of dollars worth of gold right off the end.
Kevin,
Yeah.
I want to see the last one. Ken, go find me a gold pen. I don't like that sluice box, the way that thing runs. It's nice to see what's in the bottom of the thing. See, that's not kind of funny. You find that kind of gold on the end of your runs, you know, that's a little mutz. If it starts running out of the ass end of the sluice box, it's quite obvious you do something wrong. Kevin.
Yeah.
Come here. You get over there. Right here. Come on. There's way too much down there. Bye. It looks to me that we're losing more gold in a day than most people make in a month.
So
So?
that leaves me with the problem to fix.
Whose party is it?
Oh, mine, I guess.
Well then, go fix it.
So basically make it work.
That's all I have to say.
All right.
Is your dredge. Fix it.